Hey, Halloween lovers! Want an easy and fun dessert that's perfect for your spooky celebration? Let's make Monster Rice Krispies treats. Here's what you'll need. 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. 3 tablespoons of butter. 1 package of mini marshmallows. Green food coloring. Candy eyes. Pretzel sticks. Start by melting your butter in a pot over low heat. Once that's melted, toss in the marshmallows and stir until smooth. Now, add a few drops of green food coloring to give our monster treats that spooky green glow. Next, add your Rice Krispies and mix everything together until well coated. Press the mixture into a greased pan, then let it cool for about 10 minutes. Once cooled, cut your treats into squares and get ready to make them monstrous. Add candy eyes for that monster look and use pretzel sticks for arms or legs. Look at these adorable monster treats. They're so easy, and your little ghouls will love them. Perfect for Halloween parties, school treats, or just a fun afternoon bake. Be sure to subscribe for more spooky fun recipes. Happy Halloween! Like and subscribe for more Halloween ideas.